Man risks his life to stop spinning excavator. Why is he so fucking calm right now? Like, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. Who left the excavator unattended? Who left that shit in drive on the fucking road? Oh my god. Who left the motor running on the excavator and left the vehicle? Who? Now motherfucker gotta go risk his life to go jump in the vehicle. Oh my goodness. Who in their ever-loving mind left that motherfucker unattended? No, they're not microwaves. They don't just automatic their asses to work like that. And what was so important? Like, you had to pee so bad you couldn't turn the bitch off first? Really? Really? The vibrations were making you that fucking jiggly that you just had to go? Like, oh my goodness.